how to force restart, reboot or reset your iPhone 12. So let's get started. Firstly, press the volume up button on the left side of your iPhone and then quickly release it. Then press the volume down button on the left side of your iPhone and then quickly release it. Press and hold the side button, the power button on the right side of your iPhone and keep holding the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button and your iPhone will restart. After that, all you have to do is reset. Now go to the Settings app, and now inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Now inside the General, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.